Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today, I'll share a beautiful story with you, a story of Eid joy and togetherness. It was the last day of Ramadan. Ahmed, Fatima, and Maryam stood on the rooftop, their parents and grandparents by their side. As the crescent moon appeared in the sky, their faces lit up with happiness. The girls raised their hands in prayer, and their father, with a joyful smile, said, Eid Mubarak. The Chandrat Bazaar was glowing with lights and laughter. Fatima and Maryam giggled as they tried on colorful bangles and had beautiful henna designs on their hands. Ahmed held a bunch of vibrant balloons, smiling from ear to ear. Their mother watched them with joy, her heart full of happiness. Back at home, the house was filled with excitement. The children were hanging fairy lights. Fatima and Maryam admired their sparkling new clothes, and the kitchen was filled with the sweet aroma of sheer kurma. Their father, with a loving heart, helped in every little way. The house buzzed with laughter and joy. Morning came. Their father dressed in his finest clothes and went to the mosque for the Eid prayer. The sound of prayers echoed softly. After the prayer, warm hugs and cheerful greetings spread through the mosque. Eid Mubarak, smiles and laughter filled the air. At home, the children gleamed in their new clothes. They hugged each other tightly and joyfully said, Eid Mubarak. Their father gave them Eid, and their grandparents blessed them with heartfelt prayers. Laughter echoed through the house. The dining table was filled with delicious food, biryani, korma, kebabs, and sweet sheer korma. Every bite was enjoyed with laughter and stories. The air was warm, not just from the feast, but from the joy of being together. Later that day, the family went to the park. Ahmed raced to the swings, while Fatima and Maryam twirled on the merry-go-round. The parents clicked photos, capturing the laughter and memories. Their grandparents watched with joy, smiling with pride. It was a day to remember. The next morning, the children carefully packed trays of food. With smiles on their faces, they set out to share their joy with others. Each step they took was filled with kindness. At one door, a neighbor opened it with curiosity. The children smiled warmly, handing her the tray of food. Her eyes sparkled with gratitude, and the children's hearts filled with joy. The happiness of giving had spread. That evening, under the starlit sky, the family gathered once more. The glowing moon smiled above, and peace surrounded them. With grateful hearts, they raised their hands in prayer, thanking Allah for the blessings of a beautiful Eid. Dear kids, Eid is not just about wearing new clothes or enjoying delicious meals. Eid is about love, kindness, and sharing joy with others. When you bring a smile to someone's face, that's when you truly experience the gift of Eid. Eid Mubarak. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Madani Islamic Academy. May Allah Almighty bless us all with the ability to be kind and gentle. Ba'amin bijahi khatamin nabeen. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi. Eid Mubarak.